Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
So let's get to some individual market movers now underneath the hood. We have Nora Melinda back in studio with us. So Nora, what are you watching?
Well, Vonnie, you called out Molina Healthcare. This is the best performing stock in the S&P 500. That's ticker MOH. Of course, we've been watching the stock because it is charging higher, up as much as 4.8% today. That is the highest level since October. This, of course, is after Michael Burry took to Substack. We're still hearing from Michael Burry. People have all eyes and ears listening to him. He essentially is saying that he's long the stock. He says that Molina seems best positioned to emerge stronger as a cycle turns, especially as it relates to its peers. I'm looking at shares of Molina Healthcare, though, down about 41% year to date. So we'll just have to see whether or not this stock is able to chart some sort of turnaround story.
Yeah, very interesting. Well, we're sticking with the healthcare theme, it seems, Nora, because I know that you're looking at Ultragenyx Pharmaceutical. What's going on there?
Yes, this is ticker RARE, R-A-R-E. We're seeing shares up about 13% right now. This is a company on the smaller side, about $96 million in market cap, but we are seeing shares up for double-digit gains. This is the biggest jump we've seen since August of 2024 for the stock. This is a rebound after back in yesterday, we saw that shares hit a record low on a study failure. Jefferies analysts are talking about the fact that the stock could rebound into next year ahead of a late stage data update. So we'll keep our eyes all over this biotech company, but not doing too hot this year either. Shares are down about 47% so far this year, Christine.
And then another one that I actually didn't really know anything about, but it's based in Toms River, New Jersey. So, well, I guess a lot of companies are based in Toms River.
Yeah,
that was an epic fail there. But OCFC, OceanFirst, what is it? Tell us all about it.
No, yeah, this is one that I had to look into as well. A small company, about $1 million in market cap. It's a bank, as you mentioned. It's based in Toms River, New Jersey. But the reason we're talking about this stock today, OCFC is the ticker there, is because it is one of the stocks that is down in the market today. Pairing has declined substantially, but earlier down as much as 11%. So a double-digit drop we're seeing there, the worst day in more than 2 years for the stock. This is after it agreed to buy Flushing Financial. This is an all-stock deal that includes an investment agreement with PE firm Warburg Pincus, and this will be represented on the company's board. So a bit of M&A activity here.
Yeah, I mean, we obviously can't finish the year without M&A activity. What's your sense, Nora, in that space? We feel like we've seen so many big deals. Is that something that consolidation of a theme that's going to keep going into 2026?
Yeah, we've certainly been seeing a lot of M&A action, especially as we're looking at certain sectors in particular. I mean, it's interesting when we continue to look at tech, we've been seeing so many deals in that space as well. Healthcare is certainly on the mind, a lot of what we've been discussing today. So we're going to have to keep everything in mind and keep an eye on all this in terms of the activity for M&A into 2026.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.